Hey everyone, this is Miss LaFlamme, and today we're going to be going over how to clip and create a new clipboard on EduClipper.net. Now the first thing we need to do is to sign into our EduClipper account that we made in class. So we go to EduClipper.net, and in order to sign in, we need to go to the right hand side of the page into the green sign in button. So we touch that, and we enter in our username that we created in class and our password, and hit sign in. You'll know you're signed in when it says hi, and it should have your name here, and it should also display the icon that you chose in class. So what we're going to focus on today is clipping and creating new clipboards on EduClipper. A clip is an individual capture of a website, an image, a video that a user on EduClipper found interesting and wanted to be able to access easier. A clipboard is a collection of all the different types of clip in one category. For example, if you were creating something about genetics and you wanted to find a bunch of different clips about genetics, you could create an individual clipboard that contains all of the individual clips that you found on genetics. Now, the first thing we need to do in order to create a clipboard and to clip something onto that clipboard is to search for something individual. So since we're in biology, I am just going to search for biology and see what EduClipper pops up. We have EduClips, clipboards, and users, but I'm just going to stick to clips for now. Now as it's searching, it is going to pull up anything that is titled, described as, or tagged as having the word biology in it. So even though we see something that says, like this right here, algebra, we click on that, we said algebra, but I typed in biology. When we search through the description, we see right here, biology was in the description. So once we have our title in, we can just go ahead and browse the different clips that pulled up as biology. And we can see what's interesting to us about this. So I'm looking around, and this one looks pretty cool. It says, what types, let's see what it says. We need to click on it to get a little bit more information. What types of biology degrees are there? That's our title right here. We scroll down, we can get a description. The description doesn't give me much more information. So what I can do from here is click on this. It'll take me to the website, and it tells me what types of biology degrees are there, and I can read this and see if it's something that I want to hold on to. And it looks pretty interesting to me because it shows all the different careers that you can do within biology. So let's go ahead and X out of that. So the easiest way to clip something on EduClipper is to just hover over the individual clip, and when you do so, you'll notice that these icons pop up. You have a green pair of scissors, which is reclipping. You have a share button where you can share this individual clip on different social media networks. You can like it, you can comment on it, or you can flag it. But for now, we're going to focus on clipping. So I hit the green reclip scissors. Now it pops up where we can edit the individual information on this clip. We can edit the title, we can edit the description, we can add tags, and this is where you can also create a new clipboard. But let's take it step by step. Now the title says, what types of biology degrees are there? And I really like this title because it ties in directly to what the article is called. Now the description, I feel, is something that leaves something to be desired. So I'm going to highlight it, and I'm going to change it. And I'm going to just say, article that talks about different careers within biology. Okay? That to me gives me a little bit more accurate description of what this clip is actually about. Now down here I can add tags, so it says biology already, but I can either take that out or I can add more. So I could say careers, and I can add that, degrees, you know, whatever it is that you want to add. And this makes it easier for you to find, and it also allows other users who type in any of these search words into that white bar to find your clip. Now the next most important part is actually putting it on a clipboard. Now, everybody has this default EduClipboard, but I highly recommend creating a new one where you can capture all of these individual clips of the same topic on a new clipboard. To do that, you scroll down, hit create a new board, and since I looked for biology, I'm just going to title this one biology. And I know that all the clips that go into this clipboard will be about biology, whatever that means to me. Then I EduClip it. what will pop up is this blue bar that says that you have just reclipped something. To get rid of that, there's a blue arrow on the side that you can get rid of. And now let's just double check that we actually clipped it. We go to My Stuff. Under My Stuff, we see all the different clips that we have put on our profile. Here's our article right here, but I want to make sure my board went through as well. I go to Clipboards, scroll down, I see Biology, and there's my article right there. So we just clipped and we created a new clipboard. Now, that's our overview. If you have any other questions, please come and tell me. If not, I hope you get to clipping and you find this EduClipper app really useful. I'll see you all in class.